That's enough.
You're always confused.
So what? It's partially mine. I can say what you do and don't do.
Hi. So, what do we got now?
More blind bags.
Because?
Sarah's obsessed.
And we are children. So we have Pusheen and we have Mario. What one do you want to open first?
Mario.
Mario's the one that I have the most knowledge about. So, I don't think you've ever played a single Mario game.
Not more than you usually do.
Hmm?
Not more than anybody ever does.
I like Mario. Mario is what I basically grew up on.
I didn't grow up on video games.
I did. So, you can get Mario, Luigi, Princess Peach, Yoshi, Toad. I have no idea who Nabbit is. Or Bob-omb. Bullet Bill, a Goomba, or a Koopa.
Koopa.
Yes. I think you get 2 per bag, which is going to be fun. Okay. There is next to no surprise once you open the bag. I know who I got. Any guesses?
I didn't cut mine apart enough.
Bullet Bill.
No, I didn't get Bullet Bill. I got a Goomba! And Mario, he's so tiny. Did you get the same thing?
I got Goomba.
Okay, so Goomba might be the common.
And Luigi.
Yay!
He's so little.
They are so little. I'm gonna... For some reason, the Goomba's in a plastic baggie. Oh no, you dropped him! I know Luigi doesn't get that much love in the Mario universe, but you can't just go dropping him.
Didn't tell me he dropped dead.
I'm so sad. So,
Rest in peace, Luigi.
Luigi, ironically, how much do you know about him? Luigi owns a mansion. This mansion is very haunted. So, you know what? At least it's on brand. And, well, Mario is the main dude. Are you just happy that he's so small?
Yes. I don't even want that. I just want the tiny Luigi.
Great, I have 2 Goombas now and a Mario. It's fine. So next up is Pusheen.
Luigi can live in my banana.
Luigi can't live in the bananas. It's fine. So I don't know much about Pusheen. I know Pusheen is married with a family. But if I get any of its family members, I'm doomed because I don't know what they're called. Probably should have looked into it. But these are pretty big bags compared to the tiny Mario bag we just opened.
It's a plushie!
Yes. Now, do you understand why I was upset earlier?
I don't know who this is.
Oh.
But I like him.
What'd you get?
I got the bear guy. Or the hamster. Or whatever he is.
Hey, Tiffany.
This is a good sign.
This is a good sign. We've gotten duplicates in every box so far that we've opened.
I genuinely have no idea what this is. Is this a hamster?
I don't know, but he's cute. I could look it up. Oof. I will look up Pusheen characters.
I don't want you.
You don't want the beach ball?
Let go!
Tiffany, it's cute. It's got a beach ball. Pusheen characters. Please. How do you spell Pusheen?
Pusheen.
Tiffany, I'm not smart, okay?
It's got a hefty clip on it.
It does. Pusheen characters, please. Okay, so the one that was inside of this dude would have been Stormy. No, I don't want to sign up. I just want to know who the
I don't really
characters
care
are.
what his name is. I just want to know what he is.
I gotta find him. Maybe it's Cheek? Cheek is a boy. So he's a yellow hamster. So we got Cheek. May 10th is his birthday. His best feature is his mysterious cheeks. What does he keep in there?
Beach balls.
You think the tiny hamster is going to keep beach balls in his cheeks?
If hamsters could, they would.
Probably. The biography says Cheek is a small yellow hamster with a rosy blush. His favorite hobby is baking in his miniature kitchen and then sharing his treats with his larger animal friends. He hasn't noticed that his creations are bite-sized and everyone is too nice to point it out. So what we're saying is Cheek is just the sweetest little saint ever.
He's a sweet little bean.
He's a sweet little bean. Oh.
I love him.
Yes.
He's my friend now.
We need more.
He's gonna live on my purse with my other plushies.
I don't have a keychain currently on my purse, so I might put this little dude on it. You've already taken off the tag, so I probably should leave mine, maybe?
It's up to you. I just like being able to... Can you hand me my purse real quick?
Sure! Let me finish cutting off the tag. Even.
My poor Luigi. I have a lot of plushies on my purse. I have two. I have this Beanie Boo elephant, and I have this sloth thing that I got from Walmart. And basically, I just like to do this while I'm walking. So I want to be able to do that same thing with him without the tag getting in the way. That's why I cut it off.
You did have French fries at some point, but I don't think that stays anymore.
Stole those.
Oh, she stole your fries?
Yeah, she tried to steal my elephant, so I gave her the fries instead.
We can have the pizza. I don't use that one anymore.
Yeah, it's fine. It was kind of like a friends thing, and you know.
Now I'm friends with your dog instead of you.
I mean, she's cuter than me anyway, so.
Overall, would you do either of these again? I imagine
I would do these for plushies, and these just for the tiny characters.
I mean, the Mario one was only like $2, and I think Pusheen was $3 or $4. But yeah, I would do it again.
Can you hand me my banana?
Sure. Bye.